Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with ADB ready and the specific app package name. You will act on the app's data, not system-wide files. Connect the device and confirm USB debugging is active. Once done, open a terminal and verify a DB sees the device with a DB devices. Make sure the app is debuggable or built with debuggable equals true. Otherwise, run as will fail. This first step sets permissions boundaries so you can safely access only that app/data. Now you switch into the app context using runas so you gain permission to its data directory. Type a db shell runas com. Example, app.sh. Once inside, list and inspect files with lsla and use cp to move what you need to /sd card or compress with tar czf/sd card/data. Tar, gz. Make sure you target only files the app owns. After copying, exit and use a db pull to transfer the copied file to your workstation for analysis. Finish by cleaning up. Delete any temporary archives on /sd card to prevent exposure. If run as fails, remember why. The app must be debuggable or you need an emulator or rooted device. Those are the only practical alternatives. Also check ownership and file modes before modifying or restoring. Incorrect permissions break the app. If you hit errors, recheck USB, confirm package name, and rebuild the app with debug enabled. Then repeat the run as copy sequence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.